Welcome to People's Channel. Here you can get any tech related thing you want. All you need to do is leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to do a video on that. So I'm your host Roshan Pandey. In this video, I will tell you about why 64-bit window have two program files. So without any further ado, let's get started. Ever wondered why 64-bit Windows need to have two program files like a normal one and x86? This is done to separate the 32-bit DLL executables from 64-bit DLLs. It also eliminates the chance of a 32-bit application trying to load a 64-bit DLL and get failed and gives an error message. Back in 2005, Microsoft launched both the versions 32-bit and 64-bit of Windows. This was done to support new 64-bit CPUs. The 64-bit CPU have the ability to work with large numbers and access more memory. If you are running a 64-bit Windows operating system, you might have noticed that your PC has two program files. One is the regular program file and the other one is program file x86. But why? Why it is necessary? What is the difference between these two folders? Before I explain, you should know that 64-bit application compile differently. 64-bit instruction can't be read by PCs with 32-bit CPUs, whereas a 32-bit instruction can be executed by 64-bit CPU. We call it as forward compatibility. When you install any program on a computer with 64-bit CPU, its folders are more or less intended for 64-bit component. When a 32-bit program tries to use a 64-bit component, it faces some problems. So Windows separates the directories of 64-bit and 32-bit programs. The program file x86 is the one storing 32-bit programs. x86 stands for the type of processor like 80286, 386, 486, 586, etc. Another reason is that 64-bit software doesn't act nicely with 32-bit extensions and vice versa. It increases the chance of a conflict if you happen to install both 64-bit and 32-bit versions of program on the same system. So that's it pretty much for this video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, post suggestions in the comment box and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.